All right, guys. Hey, Mr. Clark here, and today we're going to be dissecting a sheep's eye. All right, the first thing we need to do is cut this thing in half. All right, now that it's cut in half, let's check some stuff out. So what we have here is the front of the eye. Here is the cornea, which is a thin protective layer on the front of your eye that also refracts light onto the convex lens inside your eye. Here we have the convex lens, which will refract the light further onto the back of your eye here, where we have this thin little tissue right here, which is called the retina, located on the back of the eye. And the retina has these very specialized cells called rods and cones that will turn those light waves into electrical impulses that will travel down the optic nerve, which is this little tube here, to your brain so that you can see light waves. All right, guys, that was gross. What's cool is we got to see some of the major parts of the eye, and what's interesting is that many of the tissues are very similar to your own eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.